Good morning, doctor. My name is Yo Guanzhan and my number meeting is A1X80126. Today I would like to present my individual assignment, journal review. The topic of Article 1 is taking care of business franchise system structure to promote conflict. First, overview. In this article, outline the research mentor and outstanding issue raised in a large-scale franchise research project carried out by a group of researchers from Griffith University Asia Pacific Center for Franchise Excellence. Then the data was collected through qualitative interview with industry experts, case study of the franchise system, and email survey of franchisees from across Australia. Next, the description of methodology used by this article have four stages. Stage 1 is the Franchise Australia Survey 2006. Stage 2 is qualitative interview. Stage 3 is case study. Stage 4 is May-based survey of franchises. And then evaluation. The other research on this issue use very order line, and there are sufficient explanation and discussion in each stage research and interview. I think the other research in this article is very successful because it is not only considered professional in the field and also refer to other reliable data. Besides discussion on finding, as we can see, regular transparent communication is correct for healthy franchisor-franchisee relationship and therefore a successful franchise business. Furthermore, conflict caused by a lack of communication can be avoided by taking measures to share accurate information regularly. In my opinion, franchisors should make sure there a way of for franchisees to be involved in decision-making process, reduce advice, and raise any issue that come across. Next, Article 2. The topic is how can regulation be enhanced? New perspective on the cause and continuation of franchising conflict in Australia. First, overview. This article inductive research extend the conflict uterus in dialectic exchange relationship to investigating antecedent info upon franchisee conflict from the franchisor and franchisee perspective. After that, discussion of methodology used in this article is the author come out with three research questions. First question is, in your experience, what the main misconception do franchisees have when they first join a franchise system? What is the role of the third party in the dispute resolution process? Question 3. How the effective has compulsory mediation been in avoiding further litigation? Then, evaluation. The order selection of expert interview is good mentor, but there is not clear data. In my opinion, is to make a clear data based on the information exist. This will make it easy for others to find the key point and the results, and also make it easy to find out where the problem more tend to be. Last, the question on finding. All interview confirmed that most third-party recruitment companies are not qualified to provide business advice to potential franchisees and often do not understand the nature of franchisee business proposition and are not aware of the multiple roles that franchisees need to assume. In my opinion, franchisees should try to limit their use the third-party organization whenever possible. If they do want or need to use third-party organization, they should enlist the help of trust partner who understand the rule they will be brought into play. Thank you.